Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Laura with Stitching with Laura. How's everybody doing? I hope everybody's having a great day. Well, today we have another unbagging. Let's see who it's from and who we do a review for. So we got quite a few things in here. Make sure I'm wide enough. So we have some kits. And some accessories. Okay, give me just a second, I'll be right back. Alright, this is from VIPCrossStitch. It will be in 2 parts. The next part will be next Monday. So this week we have little tiny clips, and I will get them out of the bag here, or at least part of them. And I can't for the life of me remember why I ordered them, but they're so cute. They're real tiny. They're about an inch. An inch and an eighth, maybe? Yeah. I was going to use them for something, but, you know, I'll be danged if I can remember what it was I was going to use them for. But they do come in a bag. Let's see. There are 25 of them in the bag for $2.99. So if you have a need for little tiny clips, I'm sure they'll hold a little bit of fabric. You know, they open up fairly well. I'd say about 1/4 of an inch, maybe more if you pushed it. But they're really strong and sturdy. So yeah, or you want to use them to clip your chips shut. I don't know. You can do with them what you want. But yeah, I can't remember what. Yeah, there was something in my brain that said, yeah, I gotta have some of those. I have seen people use them on counted cross stitch when they're like stitching in hand or whatever, you know, and they roll up the fabric and stick them on each side. Or just a small amount of material. You couldn't, I don't know. I usually like Louisa Cullimore. It's got a lot of fabric to it, so yeah, I don't think it's gonna, you know, go real wide and anything, but hey, we'll be able to use them for something. Look forward to that. Now, you can put them on the end of, I don't have one here, like when you do the stamped cross stitch, I roll it sometimes. You could use it on both ends. I'm sure it would work for that. So we'll find a use for them. Alright, and we have 2 pre-stamped cross stitches. Aren't they cute? I love them. Had to get them. They are 50 by 40 and they were it was $8.73. There is a number. Sometimes there's a number down here on the DIY cross stitch. Let me see, which way do I open this? Ah, this way. But I just thought these guys were precious. They were just too much. And on the color, you know me and color. Gotta have the color. Color, color, color. But they're so cute. They're adorable. And I like that they're in different colors. And each one is individually different. So, yeah, I hope this meets my expectations. Let's get out the paper pattern. Kind of a small pattern. If you really wanted to use this, you know, for any length of time, then, yeah, you'd have to blow that up. Yeah, but it's clear. It's not smeared or anything. It has 23 colors. It does have the color running down the side, the little color key, DMC number, symbol, and the number on the thread card. And it's 129 by 173. It has the product number. And here's that 458 again that was down here. Some have it, some don't. But yeah, it's not too big. And let me see what else was I going to check. This pattern will match your canvas. So yeah, and I just love owls. I like, a long time ago they had the special drill owls in a diamond painting, you remember, and they had all different kinds of and sizes of special drills. I did about 3 of those. Just love those. And my grandmother used to collect dowels 100 years ago. Back in the day, there are 2 needles right there before I forget to tell you. It is not serged. Does have a sticker this time. So it says C458. But look at all the bright, vivid, beautiful, beautiful colors. Oh, love them. No 310 though. Lots of beautiful, bright, vivid colors. Yep. Can't wait. You know how this is going to go. Yeah, I'm going to have to start this soon. And I like its 11 count. Very easy to work on. And like I said, it's not too terribly big. Does have the product number, how big it is, and how many squares per square. Nice, big, huge key, easy to see. Does have the colors. Sometimes they put the colors on the canvas. Sometimes not so much. But this is very well printed. I don't see any smears. And it doesn't look... It looks like it's confettied in spots. Does that make sense? Gosh. When I say that and it comes out of my mouth, it really doesn't make sense. Let's see. It's 50 that way. And 38 that way. So it's a little shorter than it said it was. Actual size is 29 centimeters, or about 11.5 by, oops, see, 15.5 or 39.5. So it's not very big, but it's just, I just thought it was pretty. I really did. I just love the way it looks. I like these multicolored animal things. They're just so beautiful. So beautiful. And VIP does. They get really good kits. I've had a couple problems, but not from them. So I can't say it was them. I can't say it was anybody else. I don't remember who, but I'm talking about DIY kits. They are usually really well put together, very well printed. I've only had a couple smears on some of the kits from DIY, but yeah. So, and it's right up there with Joy Sunday. You know, I've had things happen with Joy Sunday, so hey, stuff happens. But yeah, I like this, and I think it's going to be nice to work on. You know, you could work on one owl, or you could work on one color and do it everywhere. Yeah, just beautiful. Yeah, that's 939. I thought it was that dark blue. Because I knew it wasn't 310. It was too far down the line. They're usually in numerical order along the side so that they're very easy to find. But yeah, I can hardly wait to start that one. It's just gorgeous. Love it. Now the next one, I don't usually buy these kind of things because I don't know. And if I do, they've got to be well done. Does that make sense? Or not distasteful? Because I know that this genre, if that's the word, hang on. This is a 50 by 40, and it was $8.73. Let me get it out of the package, because there's a sticker right in the middle of its face. So you can say that I kind of like some kind of steampunk. But I loved this fox. He looks so tough and so cool. I don't know why. I don't know what did it for me. But yeah, it's beautiful. I just love the colors and how the copper and all the little gold trims just pop on him. And I'm sure that background is going to be 939 or 310. Yeah, does have a number, so sometimes they have a number, sometimes they don't. I just said that, right? Let's take a look at the thing. It is a full coverage. It has a one-page pattern. Pattern will match the canvas. Does show the colors. So I like this warm palette. It just, yeah. I saw this and went, yeah. Because I can't do steampunk art, but yeah, it just has to be done in good taste. And I just loved this fox. All the elements are, it, yeah, it's just there. So it reached out and it grabbed me. But this will have to be blown up. It's not very big. It does have the product number, how big it is, and how many squares per square. Nice, easy to read symbols here on the side. So if you have to go back and look at anything, and you can even see the lines, I don't know if I can get that to show, in the yellow. So when you blow this up, everything will be, you can see it. Sometimes when they print that white grid on the yellow, it doesn't show up very well. But yeah. Very nice. Oh. Yep, another starter. Because I want to see how this works. Let's take a look at all these lovely, lovely colors. There are 2 needles right here. It is not serged all the way around. You have a full hank of, assuming it's either 823 or 939, and it doesn't say, but it's 939. So it's that dark, dark blue. There is no 310 in this. So when there's a single thread here, either, well, right here, case in point, there may be another skein, or that's all the red that there is. So this has a full hank. I'm not sure how many. There's probably 40 there, strands of this 939. But it's just beautiful. I'm going to roll it together so it doesn't get all tangled up. But let's look at all the coppers and all the reddish browns. Isn't that beautiful? Just absolutely stunning. I just love it. Love it, love it, love it. There's another one where there's a single strand, so there must not be too many of that color. So, yeah, just beautiful. Let's roll you up inside of there so you don't get separated. Let's put the picture up there. Let's take a look at the canvas. Product number, how big it is, how many squares per square. Does actually have a picture like the last one. Not that you could see it really well, but you're not going to need to refer to it. But there is a lot of that 939. Nice big key, very well printed, very easy to see. These are 11 counts. I will let you know if it's ever a 14 count. I usually get 11 counts. But yeah, very nice. And it doesn't look too terribly confettied. Just in spots here and there. You do have your big areas. But yeah, I can hardly wait to see what this looks like. Let's see here. Excuse me, I choked on my own spit, as my mama would say. 50 centimeters that way. And 39.5 that way. Actual picture size. I think these are both about the same size. 29.5 or a little over 11.5 by 15 3/4 or 40 centimeters. So it's not too big. Not too big, but I just thought this was impressive. So I hope it's as impressive as it looks. I mean, you've got a lot of colors that are very close, so the shading will be awesome. But yeah, can hardly wait. Yep. Love it. Now, VIPCrossStitch only has cross stitch or or embroidery or beaded cross stitch. They do not have diamond paintings. I do have a 5% discount code that will be in the description box. If they have any specials, I will put that down there as well. And they have custom for cross stitch, which is nice. And they have lots of accessories, including hoop stands, pin cushions, beads. They even have floor stands, so do check them out. Thank you, VIPCrossStitch, for sending me these beautiful kits, which I want to start them both now. Sorry, but that's the way it goes with me. Yeah, I get this stuff and I'm like, ah, crap, here we go. Yep, gotta start that. Yeah, and you wonder why I don't focus. Alright. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and please hit the bell. That way you'll know when my next video comes out. Stay safe, stay healthy. We'll see you next time. God bless. Bye-bye.